and buy your child life insurance from Guaranteed.
We got fat. We decided to go to Jenny Craig.
Once you have a couple of kids, they'll suck it up like a Hoover.
Tomorrow Light Show, only on YouTube.
Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for a GTI video. Taking a quick break on the 2.5 swap stuff, and we are just going to drop a little GTI content in here. So as with most car enthusiasts, when you get a new car, you just scour the internet, try to find the most affordable stuff, quick and easy things that you can do to your new car. That's exactly what I've done with the GTI. So we've done things like the dynamic turn signals, the fog light tint, the paddle shifters, and I just wanted to continue that on, find some like inexpensive stuff I could do to make it my own. And I wanted to dip my toes a little bit into the performance aspect of things. So I took to the internet and I found this. So this right here is a turbo inlet pipe. And I guess on the stock ones, they are a smaller diameter at the bottom. This one is basically the same size all the way through. Welded really nicely, it's powder coated black. And in general, it's an all-around solid piece. This is an off-brand one, so take that as you will. There are branded ones that look just like this. And given that I wanted to kind of keep to an affordable budget, I decided to go with this one, figuring how bad could it be. If the welds look good, which they do, it feels very solid, feels like a solid piece, and it comes with a O-ring and everything. I figure how bad could it be? So we are going to jump into the GTI's engine bay and we are going to remove the old one, put the new one on, and then see what happens. It should be fine. Let's dive into it, guys. Thanks again. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notifications for videos like this in the future, and let's get started. Our turbo inlet pipe is right back here. Here's the little turbo right here, and our intake pipe goes from here back into the turbo inlet pipe. So we need to take off the engine cover, get this hose out of the way, and we should be pretty close to getting it out from there. Now there is a how to do this video on ECS tuning and a bunch of other people's pages. So this is by no means a how-to. If you are new to the channel and you're a GTI guy, thanks for joining. My videos are how I do things, not how-tos, so you can follow my videos and get a good reference for how you might want to do it. But this is not a step-by-step process. This is just me doing it and the parts I get and things like that. Kind of like a blog, car domain thing, if anyone remembers car domain days. But we'll just take this off first, which is pretty easy to do. You just pop it off. Now we'll get our intake hose off. Okay, so mildly annoying, but I got the inlet pipe off. The hardest part was snaking the PCV through. I had to take the coil packs off. So now we can throw the new one on and it should just pressure fit onto it. All right, we got our PCV back on. It's on there really tight, but I don't think it's going anywhere, so I think we're safe to put it in the car. And while it might be a little hard to see, but I have a little light, everything is back in place where it should be. The hardest part was getting that back bolt right in the center of the screen right there. The hardest part was getting that back in. I couldn't get it lined up. It was just kind of hard, but I got it eventually. And everything else is in. Coil packs are back on. This is the hose that I was talking about right here, this silver metal one. If someone knows what this is, so you can remind me and help me learn. Let me know down in the comments what hose that is. But everything else looks good. I'm going to throw the intake tube back on, and then we should be able to wrap this up. All right, and that is going to be it for this video, guys. It is a hot one out here in the garage today, so I'm glad that this didn't take as long as I thought it might. As you saw, the last clip, I did a little sound example. I probably should have done one beforehand, but I didn't. So I'm gonna just enjoy the modification as it is. It sounded cool. I love the sound of whooshy noises, and I'm excited to make some more noise coming in the next few weeks, so get ready for that. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave your comments, and I will see you in the next one.